हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, बिजनेस हेल्पलाइन चैनल को आपण मन को बहुत बहुत स्वागत। आज आम देखा तरुण गोयल जनरल नॉलेज बुक रा हिस्टोरी पार्ट बहीर संपूर्ण सारांश देखा जोटा कि परीक्षा अविकल प्रश्न पड़ो। आम पूरा सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चन को जीवा। चलो स्टार्ट करवा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है कुतुब मीनार इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ इंडो इस्लामिक आर्किटेक्चर। द नंबर ऑफ स्टेरॉइड्स इन Qutub Minar 5. The Qutub Minar is situated in Delhi. In Delhi Sultanate, Diwan-e-Insa was a department of royal correspondence. The Diwan-e-Insa was headed by the Dabir I Khas. 1/5 tax imposed on mines, treasure, crops, and war booty was Khan's tax. In Delhi Sultanate, Balban was the slave of Iltutmish, first Sultan of Delhi, founder of slave dynasty Qutbuddin Aybak, the first Sultan who annexed Bengal into the Delhi Sultanate and appointed his son Bukhara Khan as the governor. Balban. The Tariq-e Firozshahi text related to the Delhi Sultanate was authored by Ziauddin Marani. Next, the author of Tariq-e-Mubarak Shahi Yahya bin Ahmad Sirhind. Special slave brought for military services were known as Bandagan. Land or land revenue entrusted to a person on specific condition was Ikta. Officers responsible for collecting revenue in Delhi Sultanate were Nazir. এটা পড়ে পড়িয়া নাজির কু মানে ওকে। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टेट कॉरेस्पोंडेंस इन दिल्ली सुल्तानेट होची दीवानी इंसा। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जस्टिस इन दिल्ली सुल्तानेट होची दीवानी आई कजा आई मामालिक। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मिलिटरी ऑफ दिल्ली सुल्तानेट होची दीवानी आई अरीज। फर्स्ट एंड ओनली वुमेन रूलर ऑफ दिल्ली सुल्तानेट रजिया सुल्ताना। Rule of Kakatiya dynasty was ended by Delhi Sultanate. Ghiyas-ud-Din Balban, who took over and ruled the throne of Delhi in 1266 to 1287. ପିଲାମାନେ ଆପଣମାନେ ବିଜନେସ୍ ହେଲ୍ପଲାଇନ୍ को ଟିକେ ଲାଇକ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଡେଲିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଫ୍ରିରେ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ମିଳୁଛି ଡେଲି। ओके ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନେ ଯଦି OPSC ଏସବୁକୁ ୱେଟ୍ କରି ରହିଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଇ ବୁକ୍ ଆଭେଲେବଲ୍ ଅଛି। ଯେଉଁମାନେ ବିଗନର ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସବୁଠୁ ବେଷ୍ଟ, ଯେଉଁମାନେ ପ୍ରୋ ବି ଆଡ଼ଭାନ୍ସ ହେଇଗଲେଣି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ ଆମେ ଆଡ଼୍ କରୁଛୁ। 1200 ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ OPSC ଏସବୁର ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଫ୍ରିରେ ମିଳିବ। ଯାହାର ଏଇ ବିଟଲ୍ ନିଡ୍ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଏଠି ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିକି ଆପଣମାନେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ, ବିଟଲ୍ଟି ପରଚେଜ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। ଓକେ नेक्स्ट ओ ट्रिपल एसएससी रो कंबाइंड रिक्वायरमेंट जोटा कि आपनकर आईसीटी सुपरवाइजर रो आपण मान को जदी ई बुक दरकार ताले आपण स्कैन करि नै परबे। तासरा वीडियो कोर्स भी फ्री अछि। आ जदी आपण को ओएसएससी सीजीएल रो जदी आपण कंबाइंड ग्रेजुएट लेवल रो मेटल दरकार ग्रुप बी एंड ग्रुप सी पोस्ट जो अपकमिंग आसुची 2025 सिलेबस अनुसार भी सेटा भी हम पाखर अवेलेबल अछि। आपण माने परचेज करि परबे। ठीक अछि। आपण मान को परचेज करिया पई 9937193244 नंबर को व्हाट्सएप रे मैसेज करिया पड़बो। ओके Amir al-Khayal, an Arabic title which means commander of the faithful, was given to Jamal-ud-Din Yaqut. Okay, second Sultan of the Delhi Sultanate, Aram Shah. The tax on agricultural land of non-Muslim during the Delhi Sultanate, Karaj tax. Okay, the Rajia was more able and qualified than all her brothers for the Sultanate of Delhi Sultanate. His statement was said by Minhaj-i-Siraj. Ziauddin Marani wrote his first chronicle in 1356. In the second battle of Tehran, the victory of Turks laid the foundation stone of Delhi Sultanate. Tariq-e-Mubarak Shahi is a Persian language chronicle of the Delhi Sultanate. Akbar of Tariq-e-Mubarak Shahi Yahya bin Ahmad Sirhind. Okay. The language of administration under the Delhi Sultanate was Persian. During the rule of the Delhi Sultanate, making a manuscript required 4 stages. Delhi first became the capital kingdom under the Tomara Rajput. Special slaves brought by the Delhi Sultanate for military services were called Bandhagan. Iqtidari system of the Delhi Sultanate had the influence on the Bahmani and Vijayanagar kingdoms. Iqtidari system was introduced by Samsuddin Iltutmish, the real founder of Delhi Sultanate. Iltutmish, head of the Diwan and Sa department, the Mir-i-Khas. Under the Delhi Sultanate, head of the Information and Intelligence Department, Barit-i-Malik. Okay, the term associated with learned theologians and jurists was ulema. Under the Delhi Sultanate, zakat, the religious tax, was imposed on the wealthy and rich Muslim in India. The Waqt-i-Nasiri was written in Persian language by the Minhaj-i-Siraj. Ananga-Pal Tomar ruled before Prithviraj Chauhan over Delhi. The term associated with learned theologians and jurists was ulema. Under the Delhi Sultanate, zakat, religious tax imposed the wealthy and the Muslim in India. Okay, अच्छा किसी रिपीट है ये ओके चलिए असुविधा नहीं अच्छा coins minted in Delhi under the Tomaras were called Dilliwal. The number of dynasty rule Delhi during the Sultanate period 1206 AD to 1526 AD 5. Delhi Sultanate was established in 1206. In the Delhi Sultanate, the holder of a land assignment Ikta was called as Mukti. Fatehpur Sikri Agra was built by Akbar. ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଆମେ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର ବିଷୟରେ ଡିଟେଲ ପଢ଼ିବା ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ବିଷୟ ପଢ଼ିବା ଓକେ ପିଲାମାନେ ବିଜନେସ୍ ହେଲ୍ପଲାଇନ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ଆପଣ ଡେଲି ଫ୍ରି ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବରେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ମିଳୁଛି ଓପିଏସ୍ସି ଏସବୁ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବୁକ୍ସ ଦରକାର ଏବେ ପାଇଁ ଦରକାର କିମ୍ବା ଅପକମିଂ 600 ଭ୍ୟାକେନ୍ସି ପାଇଁ ଦରକାର ଏବେ ଆପଣ ପରଚେଜ୍ କରିପାରିବେ ଏଠି କ୍ୟୁଆର୍ କୋଡ଼ ଦେଇଛି ଆପଣ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରି କିଣିପାରିବେ ତା ସହିତ ଆପଣ ଏବେ ଅଫର୍ ଚାଲିଛି ଆପଣ 1200 ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କୋର୍ସ ପାଇପାରିବେ ଆଉ ଯଦି OSSC RI I mean ICDS ସୁପରଭାଇଜର ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୋର୍ସ ଦରକାର ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିକି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଫ୍ରି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କୋର୍ସ ବି ମିଳିବ ତା ସହିତ PDF ମିଳିବ ଏ ଟୁ ଜେଡ୍ ସପୋର୍ଟ ବି ମିଳିବ ତା ସହିତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି OSSCର ଯଦି CGL ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏଟ୍ ଲେଭେଲର 2025ର ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇ ବୁକ୍ ଦରକାର ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ୍ ଅଛି ନ୍ୟୁ ଲାଟେଷ୍ଟ ସିଲାବସ୍ ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ସେଟା ଆପଣ ପରଚେଜ୍ କରିପାରିବେ ଓକେ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା ଆପଣ 9937193244 କୁ WhatsApp କରିପାରିବେ ଓକେ ଆଜିର କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ନିଶ୍ଚିନ୍ତ ଆପଣମାନେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନ୍ ଜଣାଇବେ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ୍ସ ଫର୍ ୱାଚିଂ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ